Looking for a new way to access RBTC? You can use Jumper.exchange to swap or bridge tokens across 20+ chains, including to and from Rootstock. This makes it easy to move assets, access DeFi on Rootstock, or bring liquidity in and out of the network. Here's a simple guide to bridging your assets to Rootstock using Jumper. Go to Jumper.exchange, and there, let's start from connecting the wallet. I select MetaMask and connect. Now select the chain. I have Polygon pre-selected, so I'm going to exchange Polygon USDT and choosing the chain to swap to Rootstock and token RBTC. I'm selecting the amount to be swapped and the best route that suits me. It all depends on the preferences on gas price, on the speed of transactions. You can choose different routes, or on the amount that you'd like to get in the end. Now review the costs. Then click on Confirm the transaction. Click Confirm once again. I confirm the spending cap and the transaction request. It will take some time to process, which is quite normal for the bridging experience. And then you'll see the notification that the bridging is successful, and you'll see the funds on the wallet. Explore different options to bridge assets to Rootstock at rootstock.io/RBTC.